25th August will be remembered as the day Premier Gladys Berejiklian gave the green light to chainsaws and to bulldozers from Cropper Creek to Clovelly. These changes will affect everyone, no matter where we live in New South Wales. Having had a long career in environmental management, I can't think of a bigger step backwards for our environment than the one this Liberal National Government is going ahead with. It is absolutely heartbreaking to think that big agribusinesses and big property developers will finally get what they've always wanted: open slather clearing. The impact on biodiversity, on wildlife, on koalas, on our green spaces and climate will be devastating. Even worse, they are doing it without having finished the detailed vegetation mapping, and we won't be able to even tell what we have lost. I'm here in the Royal National Park because under the new rules, everything short of our beautiful national parks is up for grabs. There is a pathway to clearing threatened species habitat, endangered ecological communities, and koala habitat without even having secured biodiversity offsets. And I will be fighting not only to repeal these laws, but to expand protections for our environment. It's not going to be easy, but as Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible until it's done. I hope you can join me to do this.